Heavy snow and strong winds. Forecast in Michigan on Thursday. Due to the region's first winter storm, some mid-Michigan instructors and students will be off on Thursday. Huron County school districts were among the first to cancel classes on Thursday. Mid-Michigan is experiencing some of the highest snowfall totals from Wednesday night through Thursday morning due to lake effect snowfall off Lake Huron. There were reports of 1.5 to 1.9 inches of snow in northern Oakland County and southern Genesee County, according to the National Weather Service in Detroit. The main risks from the Alberta Clipper weather system that was sweeping across mid-Michigan were a colder air mass and high winds that gusted between 30 and 40 mph overnight.